Hello guys, welcome back to NFT Inspo. For today's video, we are going to show you how to activate a 2checkout account. So if you're interested, let's start our tutorial. Now, first thing that you want to do here is you want to go to shopify.com and log in into your account. Now here you want to go to your settings, which is located at the top bottom left of your screen, and from here you want to go to payments. Now in here you want to select add payment methods, and from here you want to go to search by provider. Now in this case we want to type in to check out here and choose the first option. Now from here just click on the activate button that you'll see on your screen, and from here click on connect. So it's going to open up a new tab and load the next UI. So in this next page, it's going to ask you to install the application for 2checkout. Just click on install app. Now from here, just wait for this to install and complete the process. And from here, you just need to enter your merchant code, secret word, as well as the order title for shopper. And just clicking on update settings, and from there you'll be able to activate your 2checkout account. And that's about it. So hopefully this video was able to help you. Like and subscribe to NFT Inspo. Thank you for watching.